Let me show you exactly what to do.
Managing permissions in Miro is essential for ensuring that your team's work is secure and that only authorized users have access to sensitive information. Follow these steps to effectively manage permissions in Miro. Step 1. Access the board settings. Navigate to the board you want to manage. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner to open the board settings where you can adjust permissions. Step 2. Set board access. In the board settings, you will see options for board access. Choose between anyone with the link, team members, or specific people to control who can view or edit the board. Step 3. Manage user roles. Under the Members section, you can assign roles to users. Choose from options like Viewer, Commenter, or Editor to define what each user can do on the board. Step 4. Adjust team permissions. If you are managing a team, go to the team settings. Here, you can set default permissions for all team members, ensuring consistent access levels across projects. Step 5. Review and audit permissions. Regularly review the permissions set for each board and team member. Make adjustments as necessary to maintain security and ensure that only the right people have access to sensitive information. By following these steps, you can effectively manage permissions in Miro, enhancing your team's collaboration while keeping your projects secure. Regularly revisiting these settings will help maintain a safe working environment.